Hey, this is Madison, and I'm doing my peer review on Mary Catherine's Author's Craft for Angela Johnson's All Different Now. Johnson uses a lot of punctuation, and Mary Catherine did a great job pointing that out. The one that really stuck out to me that she pointed out was this sentence right here. And nobody knew, comma, as we ate a little, comma, talked a little, comma, and headed to the fields as the sun was rising, comma, that soon, comma, it would be all different. That soon, comma, it would be all different. And Mary Catherine said, on this page, Angela Johnson puts a couple commas after some words on this page to break up what they did and put the thoughts into one. And I think Johnson was very effective while using this because it makes you stop and think about each separate section of the sentence. That nobody knew as we ate a little, talked a little. I mean, it really draws emphasis to each part of the sentence. And I think that's a really effective use of a run-on sentence that Johnson used. Something that I noticed that Mary Catherine did not point out was very rarely throughout the book was there actually proper nouns that were used. Instead, Johnson used pronouns quite frequently. So on this page, and nobody knew as we ate a little, talked a little, headed to the fields. So we was an example of a pronoun. Right here, she used an into our room to wake us, which is another example. And I thought it was interesting because as there's not really many proper nouns throughout the book, here's another example. Then we worked and worked and worked some more. That there's not really, in the pictures, there's no clear faces either. And so I think that this is really effective in Johnson's way of not really putting it towards a specific family, but this could go towards really, this book could represent so many different families on this day around this time. And I think that that was a really effective way to use that. So I think Johnson did a really effective job using the pronouns and the punctuation. And I think this was a great book to use for these two subjects this week. So Mary Catherine, you did a great job, and you all have a good week. Thank you.